the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Good morning! Good morning, Baba!
Morning!
Well, 11:05 na, guys. Nag-i-impake na ang mga bata. Actually, nandun na yung iba nilang. Ay, may nakapasok na lang. Tinatanong kasi punta na kami ng caravan dun sa bay. Eh, nag-aakot na silang mga gamit. And si Holly, ayan, dadalhin yung mga toys na nakuha niya for Christmas. Come on, Baba! And yung mga, come on, mga boys, nilalagay na nila yung kanilang bike sa trailer. Kasi dadalhin yung bikes. Nagmamadali kasi yung ulan. Si Jan kasi kararating lang din galing sa ano. Hindi siya nag-fishing kasi parang yung weather. Naglinis lang sila ng boat. Ayan yung dinghy. Hindi niya pa napoposition yung... Are you bringing the dinghy to? Dadali na rin yun ng dinghy kasi doon siya matutulog. Doon na kami matutulog. Pero ako hindi ko alam kung doon kasi gusto ko ayusin yung live selling ko.
You're not going with us.
Go to Mommy's car, Baba. Because I'm bringing our car. Okay. Kuha siya ng sausages kasi yun ang dinner namin. No, put it there because...
We have no rope. We have basket.
Ayun yung meat. May sausage. Sausages and T-bone. Ano, Baba? Let's go. Mini Holly. Ito yung current situation namin dito sa car. Yung boys kanina pa nakaalis. Ito yung car natin. Hinakot na natin halos yung mga food tsaka iba pang mga gamit. Hindi naman lahat ng gamit namin. Yung kailangan lang namin. But yeah, punong-puno kami. Meron pa dun sa likod. Okay, let's go. Grabe yung lakas ng hangin. At saka mainit. Yung hangin mainit.
It's very windy, but it's very
hot. Baka mahulog kayo dyan, guys. And sila kuya, diba, ang natanggap nilang regalo from Auntie Mel and Uncle Jace is yung swag. So, isi-set up na nila yun dun sa shed. And si Joe, yung caravan ni Joe, nandun na din. Yung kay Auntie Mel ang wala pa. Sa Friday, did I shut the shed, Baba? Sa Friday si Auntie Mel, kasi nabusy si Auntie Mel kasi siya yung nag-host for Christmas, diba? So, sa Friday daw siya pupunta doon or dadalhin yung caravan. May maingay. Are you setting up now, ha? Oh, hindi pa. Andito na sila. Ay. Whose bike is that? Where's yours?
Yeah.
Nakangkas yung baby niya, oh. Doon ilalagay yung mga swag. So, mayroon pa silang ibang friends na makakasama dito sa shed. Yeah, let's go. Let's... Yes, you have to. Come on. Not the swag first.
Potty.
Food first.
Grab some drinks, bring out this fridge back.
Bring the balls in.
No playing yet. Ito yung swags from Auntie Mel and Uncle Jace. Thank you so much. Baba, you forgot to put this. Nandito yung kanyang. I'll put this one there so you can put your drinks. Pasok. So maglalagay sila dito ng fruit box. Ito pala, binili to ni Jan. Second hand para dito. I know. Let's go inside. Kasi yung wind. No, this is mine. I put this in my...
I'll take that one. I might put a few in here because we got that other one. The 24?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. It's alright. Just put that one here. The 24 can go there. No, it's alright. The 24 can...
Oh, no.
Yeah, yeah. So, may 24 pieces tayo dun yung isang box na kinuha niya, diba? Yeah. I-alternate niya daw yung flavor. Ayan. Apple tapos. Is it raspberry? Yeah, apple, raspberry, and apple. This one's Coke. And water. Zach, where is your cover for your, for your swag?
What?
Daddy asking.
Cover.
For your swag.
Cover?
Yeah. You know the bag itself? Yeah. Okay, go get it, baby. coffee. Fruit box, oh, ayan, dito naman siya. Oh, ang lakas ng hangin. Okay, put all in the fridge.
I'll put one pack in there. Because there's 18 left.
Alright. Ayan yung fridge. Hala, yung cheese, bakit ganito? Wala na to.
You know what? This one's perfect.
Yeah. Alternate niya na naman. Tulungan ko na nga. Yeah, okay. Kasi, pag nauhaw kayo. Ay, the fridge sucks. Nag-ano na yung fridge. Nagtunog. Kuya, can you bring me some stuff from the car, please, so we can put it here? Thank you. You have to shut the fridge sack. And where are you gonna put this coke? Maybe at the bottom side? All fruit bags on top? Maliwanag naman.
Yeah. What about half the fans in there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Make this so easy.
Huh?
Oh yes.
What?
Even Steven.
What?
Look at that. That is
Perfect.
so perfect.
Okay, this one. I have to get some stuff. Wait, sir. This one goes to, Sak, bring this one, Sak. Kasi etong fried rice, doon na to sa, dala akong macaroni salad. And dito yung mga snacks nila. Ang tagal kong hindi bumili nito kasi hindi na nila to kinakain. Minsan na lang, pinipili pa nila yung flavor na gusto nila. Tapos yung natitira, hindi naman ako kumakain masyado na ng chips. Ang ending, meron tayo dito, Vegemite. Ilang pieces ba to? 5, 10, 20? Yeah, 20 pieces to. Na iba-iba. Meron siyang salt vinegar original chicken and ano yung isa? Chicken onion. Yung isa chicken lang. Put the raspberry. Hinahati niya. Yung kalahati ng mga drinks natin nandun sa isang ano. Meron pa pala. Ito na lang. Oh, shut it first up. And yung kasaba, kumuha si Emma. Ayan. So, mayroon tayong kalahati. Now, put this one. May kasaba. Chocolate brand ako. Just in that, yeah. And my Coke na. So, walang iinom nito kasi ayaw nila ng Coke Zero. Ako lang ang iinom ng Coke Zero. Nakuha ko yung malaki. Gusto ko sana yung maliit lang.
What?
This one.
You don't like zero sugar?
No, I like the Coke, but I want the skinny one. This is the big can. I like the skinny.
It's a microphone.
But it's still alright. Holly! These eggs in the shed, not here. Oh, no, it's not. It's not fit. Eggs! Baba! I told you this is in the shed, not here.
Oh, that's silly.
Meron pa ako ditong sugar. Sponge cake. Hindi ko na kaya yun sa bahay. Hindi naman ka mag-bake na dito. Ang init. Sobrang init talaga sa akin.
Put this in the fridge.
Yeah.
What's the
Daddy wants that in... yeah, I don't know. Baba! May inis na to. Oh, stop! There's more. Baba! Okay, give this to Daddy. Oh, we have water too, Sak. Oh my God.
Where are you going to put these?
Just some water put in the...
Okay, here.
Just some, and then the rest will go to the shed. You can always get some.
Not the other one.
Okay. That's it?
Put one there.
Why? Yeah, there's two. Okay, here. No. Gusto niya organize. Gusto niya organize yung fridge. Tingnan niyo. Ayaw yung lagyan yung sa harap. Ayan pa yung mga ilalagay namin. Buksan lang yung binta. Quick, quick. Tinanggal ko yung ibang drinks kasi nakalimutan ko meron pa pala kaming mga ilalagay yung fruits, veggies, ano pa ba, may mga cream, butter. So, tinanggal ko yung iba na fruit box, lahat ng drinks. Hindi naman lahat.
Eh?
Yung iba, ha? What's that? Yeah. Yung iba lang naman. So, pag naubos na, pwede sila mag-refill kasi nakalimutan natin na may mga fruits pa pala tayo ilalagay.
Oh yeah, that's something.
Yeah.
Yup.
No. Ano, in the bathroom?
I can fit it.
In the bathroom, in the side. No. Put in the bathroom. Yeah. Kasi yung bathroom dito hindi naman ginagamit. Ano pa ba? Ito lalagyan ng labahan. Here, we got all the snacks here. Put some food.
Hey, put it in there.
And yung twigs. Ayan pa pala. No, there's more. Yeah. Okay, I'll pass it to you. And syempre, Berry Glow. And Choco Blast. From my drink. And asin. Okay, thank you. Baba, put this one in the bathroom. And ano pa ba? And nakadalawa na pala ako dito, guys, yung ating Sip to Glow. Ayan, masarap siya. Ang flavor niya is passion fruit. Nilalagay ko sa freezer pag gusto ko. Icy kasi masarap talaga siya.
Is that only for parents?
Yeah, parents only. Not parents, for adults. Asa na yung iba? Baba! It's only 2. Where is it now? And may dala tayong bread. Masarap dito. Ito pa yung bread natin. Masarap din yung peanut butter. And masarap to. Itong HOP, House of Pulveron.
Mommy, my press.
Masarap siya. Ha?
Press on it.
Yeah. French onion, garlic, Vegemite. Ang dami kong Vegemite. Where's my other collagen?
I'll put this in now.
Ayan. Eto. Ayan. Hawak-hawak ko na pala. Ilagay ko lang isa sa freezer kasi ngayon iinom ako mamaya. Eto, dito lang. Okay, Bab, ha? This is not for kids. Alright. So, maglinis lang ako dito kasi nailagay naman lahat. So, eto na yung itsura after natin kunin yung ibang drinks. Ayan. Ito kasi yung twigs. Yan. Tapos yung mga fruits dito. Hindi pa naikabit ni Jen yung tubig. So, hindi ko pa nahugasan yung mga fruits. Ayan yung itsura. Magsaing na pala ako ng rice. Kasi si Jen gusto niya ulit ng fried rice. At saka yung mga bata. So, may nailagay na akong isang cup. Ito yung second. Ito yung Indian, guys. Bara. Everyday basmati rice. Maganda to. First time ko siyang gamitin kahapon and okay siya.
Are we having fried rice tonight?
Daddy wants fried rice and the boys.
I do.
Yeah. Okay. Nakalimutan ko dun ko tugasan kasi wala pa tayong tubig.
I got off to play a TJ.
Yeah. Ayan. Okay.
It's gonna be very fast, guys.
Ah. Okay. Iyan ko na tong kanin natin. Rice ba? Saing. Dinala ko yung aking salt. Tingnan nyo yung salt dito. Ano kasi ito sa lobster. Pero ayan, pang luto-luto ko. Kinain na natin to. Yung mga bata nag-ano sila, ang tawag pasuway kung sa Bicol. Ito po kaya ito ilagay. Si Jan, kinakabit niya yung tubig para magkatubig kayo dito sa caravan. Okay. Yan, may tubig na kami.
There's more space in the car.
Uwi kami kasi si Jan maliligo. Si Sak, may kakausapin daw siya sa PS. Yung friend niya na wala, pareho sila walang phone. So sa, tingnan niya kung online. Kung gusto dito matulog sa kanya. Si Taj. And ano pa ba? Yeah, maliligo si Jan.
Mommy, those 3 nails.
And then, oh, tinanggal ko guys kasi hindi siya maganda nung nilagay ko kasi 'di ba madalian lang. So hindi ko siya na prep. Dapat kasi pine-prep din yung nails mo bago mo ilagay yung press on nails. Okay, nandun na si Jan. Let's go. Dito na ulit tayo sa bahay. Si Holly naliligo na. Inuna niya ang daddy kasi si Jan nandun sa farm. Nilagay niya yung maliit na trailer doon. Ako mag-edit ako habang hinihintay ko sila. Ako din mag-hotbath lang din ako. Tapos eto ulit yung susutin ko. Kasi kasusuot ko lang nito eh. Para ready na tayo mamaya. Pwede naman maligo dun. Kasi may shower naman dun sa shed. Kaso, dito kami mag-shower ni Holly. Ito na ulit kami sa ano. Sa bay. Ayun si Holly. Where's the boys, kuya? Skate park. Andito na yung ayan na yung swag ni Taj. So, dito raw nila ilalagay yung swag. So, dyan. So, hindi ko pa alam kung sino pa yung iba. Ito yung sa dalawa. Hindi pa na-unbox. Ha? Yeah. And, ito yung dinner natin for tonight. Meron tayong T-bone. Ba't ang daming sausage? Para baon din bukas. And lunch na rin siguro to para isahan. Dala ko pala yung fruits kasi wala namang kakain doon sa bahay. So, dito ko na to dinala para makain. And, nag-upload na ako ng vlog. O, diba? Nakapag-edit tayo. Diyan siya kasi baka lipa rin yung pintuan natin. Okay. Ay, hala, yung kanin natin. Hala, nag 1 hour and 48. Tapos na to. Check natin. Oh, ayan na. Yes, baby. Yan yung rice natin. So, hindi ko ubusin yung rice. Ayan, meron pa tayo dyan na kalahati. We'll see. Pero kuha mo tayo ng Coke. Nauuhaw ako. Saan yung Coke Zero natin? Hindi pa siya ganun kalamig. Ilagay ko muna sa freezer. Para malamig siya. And ilabas ko na rin yung ito. And meron ko dito yung ubi pandesal nung nabili kong noon pa. And pandikoko. And yung ating hala, ang tigas niya na mamaya. Labas ko yan. Dito na yung dalawa.
I'm gonna have to sweat that up again.
Oo, kasi pumapasok yung dust. Ayan si Taj. Maya-maya, magluluto na kami. No, you cannot jump. Dito na sila sa labas para makabuelo sila mag-hit ng ball. Ayun pala yung caravan nila, Joe. Dito na naman sila kasi ang windy. Sinarahan ni John kasi naka-4 na beses na siya magwalis dyan. Yung dust laging pumapasok. Ha?
To catch.
Outfit check. Naka-apron na pala tayo, guys. Kasi magluluto ako soon. Itong apron na to, lagi ito sa caravan. May yellow ako dito eh.
Huh?
Gaming chair. Wow, you think you're Where did you put the dust bag? Si-set up na nila yung swag.
Is yours a dome?
Dad. So where's your head gonna be? So you like this? Kay kuya tong swag.
He's got him too. Here they go. They're falling like flies now.
It's not that comfortable. Because we can't figure it out and he wants to like three spot to sleep. Where's the mattress?
There.
Soft?
Yeah.
What do you want about take that?
This before Beth?
Yeah, we like that over these stones.
Back in the days you have the other one? Hindi raw ganito yung kanya nung kabataan niya eh. Ayan, tapos na yung sa likod. Oh, what's that one?
Yeah, we've got to put the middle one in.
It's gonna keep doing that. You meant to do this one last, you know.
Ayan, naitayo na yung isa. And nalagay na rin yung mattress. Hindi na ako napag-vlog kasi tumulong din ako para i-tight ba yan. That's not yours! Ang kulit ni Zaki, boy. Good night, Zach!
Where do you hang this light?
May lamp pala sila. Yeah. Next, Zachary. Wait for Daddy because Daddy has the cutter. After nito, magluluto na kami.
This one looks cleaner because no one played soccer with it. Night, guys.
Nice.
Oh, it's so dark. I don't know, but
You get it?
it looks like it's...
Si Kuya na yung nag-set up kay Sak na tent or swag.
We can bend that much now.
Okay, I'll help you there. Yung kay Sak, ilalagay na yung mattress. Careful, careful.
Take that off. That's cool.
Just cut it.
Yeah, later. Give it to Daddy.
Yeah, no.
Pagod na siya.
No, Lord. Don't do that and make it tighter.
What?
Hold it. Jack, come here, hold this. Come here, hold this. Can I see your face?
Dahil tapos na namin set up yung ano nila, swag si Tash. Ayan, pinifigure out pa namin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So magluto na kami. Ako magluto ng fried rice, siya yung barbecue.
Put it over there.
Si Holly nag-enjoy dun sa ano ni Kuya. Swag. Dito ko kinakrak yung egg sa cup. Kasi walang bowl dito. Nasa caravan. Umuulan. Naririnig yan. Lakas ng ulan. Ayan yung dinner natin. Put lots of stuff on.
I did.
Wow, we got a window. Dito tayo sa working area, guys. Ito yung mga gamit. Ito ba? Para siya sa mga wires ata. Basta. Para siya pagawa ng sisig. Okay. Ha? Did you? Okay, on. Anayin ko muna yung eggs. Tapos bacon. Malulubat na tayo, guys. Pag na-flat yan, see you later. Huh? What did you say? I need to teach you. You need to learn to cook fried rice.
Anything.
Anything. Alright, I will for you. Just let me know. It smells good for you. You have to break it, yeah. Okay, do that one. I'll do this. You have to click here, huh? Ako nalobat na tayo nung si Kuya nandito. Pinatay ko muna kasi nag-free tayo ng battery. Pumunta ko sa caravan and kinuha ko to sa freezer. Sobrang lamig. And kinuha ko na rin yung aming mga gagamitin like plates and mga yung utensils. And ito yung niluto ni Kuya. Dinurog niya na talaga yung egg. Madali dito magluto ng fried rice dito sa electric pan. Malaki siya. So, mayroon pa tayong eggs na lulutuin. So, tapos ko na lutuin yung egg. Initin ko muna, bago ko lutuin yung bacon, initin ko muna yung tira namin na fried rice para makain na to.
Guys, cooking the bacon.
Wow.
This be cooked?
No, it's maybe crispy.
Summer. What stuff?
Wow, Zach, it's in your cooked, aren't you? Looks good? Yeah, crispy. Ito na pala yung sausages and yung T-bone. Ayan, nauna na silang kumain yung tirang fried rice kahapon. Yun ang kinakain nila. Ayan kay Jan, T-bone. Tig-isa kami. And ako, ayan, yung veggies muna. Okay na ito. What now, Han?
I want nachos.
Bet?
Mom, I want nachos. Do you know what nacho is? Let's put nachos. Nachos?
What's not?
Nachos. Well, it's like Japanese to me.
Naruto?
Naruto? Ramen. Ramen. You can have it.
Ubus na na dyan yung T-bone niya.
I might like that. Okay. We're just starving. Get more.
Oh.
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yes, lang. Ubus na yung kanyang ulam. Ito kahit walang ulam, ang daming sahog. Okay. Manay ka dyan. Let me know when to stop. Okay?
Let me know.
Okay na?
Yes, po.
Alright.
Po.
Lagay na natin dito. Hinugasan ko na ito.
I will touch.
Para bukas meron silang almusal or tanghalian.
I will.
Tapos na silang kumain. Si Kwe, kinakanya yung leftover ni Holly na fried rice. And yung akin ay... Kaya si Sak at si Tads, ayun yung plate nila. Ubus din. Ito yung akin. Meron tayong T-bone. And meron pa tayong vegetable. Sausages dito. Nakapagsubo na pala ako. And itong tinatry ko is yung fat na... Hindi fat. Yung matababa na sausages. Kasi merong skinny. Ayan. Compare dito. Ayan. Mas mataba siya. Compare. Sarap. Ito rin yung kasama dun sa naalala nyo nagpakatay ng baka yung friend ni Jan. Naghati sila. Ito rin yung part ng baka. Saka ito, T-bone. Dito na sila. Dito na ulit sila sa naglalaro. Umuulan na naman. Ang sarap ng fried rice. Saka ng T-bone. Tapos lang kumain guys, maghuhugas na ako. kumain pala ko ng yung House of Pulveron. Masarap siya.
Right.
Okay, maghugas na ako. Tapos na ako maglinis and nakahugas na ako, guys. And dito yung mga hinugasan nating plato. Tinakpan ko lang ng, ito yung ating tea towel na pinunas ko para mag-dry. And malinis na yan. Let's close the vlog, Baba.
Please like and subscribe next Good night.
Good night. Kasi, ayan, maglalaro lang naman sila. And naka-upload na tayo ng vlog, guys. So, kung hindi nyo pa napanood-panoorin nyo. Thank you.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.